Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janine of TBOQ Crochet, and do you see what I have on? I have the cardigan on. So I did finish up enough where I can actually wear it. I left my sleeves open, gave it that bell sleeve look because it actually helps, like if I'm gonna wear a long sleeve shirt up underneath this cardigan, I won't get all the bunching. I really love the sleeves and how it came out. I did put pockets on. I'm trying to let you guys see the length. So it's like right around mid thigh a little bit. I really love how this came out. I did use a steamer to relax the fibers. And so before it was a little stiff, but now that the fibers are relaxed, like I really love how this came out. This is my first wearable, my first garment that I have actually completed. And so I'm very, very happy with it, the way that it came out. I will go back and add more trimming around just so that I can add the buttonholes and then add the buttons to it. But basically, yeah, it's ready. I can wear it with no problem. I really love how it came out. I did the back. There's a rectangle on the back. You can't really tell that much. I should have added some brown in the middle just so you can see, more of it. But I really like how it came out. So I have a few things that I want to talk about in today's video. One being my sale in my Etsy shop. It is still live. So if you want to go and take a look at my Etsy shop, you can. It is listed in the description box down below, so you can go and look at that. If you don't want to buy nothing, that's fine. No problem. But just go and you can follow the shop. But I also want to talk about, there's a lot of changes coming to my shop, and I will talk about that in another video. So yeah, I have a lot of changes coming up. You can call it a rebranding because I'll talk about it in the next video. But there has been an update on the market that I was supposed to attend in late December. It's a Christmas market, and I reached out to the contact person, and he finally reached back out to me and explained that because of the big changes that is taking place, that market will not go on this year. It's a little bit sad that it won't, because it's a really good market. It's a Christmas market. The kids have a train ride and everything. So hopefully they may be able to return next year. But as of right now, they won't have the event. Just because it's too much to try to relocate everything. So I just, pray for the best for the STEM association, and that they can maybe come back next year with the event. So as I stated, there are changes coming to my shop, and so I will disclose that at a later date. I have some bag ideas that I'm also working on, and I will come to you guys with that and show what I have. Each bag, I have like 3 or 4 ideas that I'm working on, and that's gonna be for the rebranding. And so yeah, I really love how this cardigan came out. I really love it. And I completed my first garment, my first wearable. So yeah, I also, with that market that I was talking about a few minutes ago, I had purchased some just Chanel yarn from Dollar Tree to make scrunches. And I also started doing granny squares to make little granny square bags. So I still have those granny squares. So I will probably turn those granny squares into, one granny square bag, and maybe put that up in the shop, or whatever. I'll figure it out. But the just Chanel yarn from Dollar Tree, I have no use for it. I actually I don't use that type of yarn, and I'm not into amigurumis, so I don't need to use it. But I did reach out to her name is Seta. I have much respect for older, the older generation. So I call her Miss Seta. So I reached out to Miss Seta of Seta's Place. I seen on one of her videos she was doing the no sew amigurumis, following the book that I believe is Jenna. So yeah, I reached out to her. I made a comment on her post on her video to see if she wanted it, because I have no use for it, and she was saying that she was going to use that to actually get that yarn to you. It's about, it might be about 6 or 7 skeins, the little skeins of yarn. It's different colors. So yeah, you just let me know one way or the other if Miss Seta doesn't doesn't need it. Then I will open it up to whoever wants it. So yeah, that's that. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I wanted to let you guys know. The changes that's coming up, the rebranding. I will come back with more information once I put everything in place. I'm in the middle of of rebranding. It is one reason why I actually wanted to do the sale in the Etsy shop, to kind of like empty out the Etsy shop. So yeah, I'm loving my cardigan. I love the sleeves. I love my little pockets. The color is coloring. So yeah, it's every little color that I actually wanted, and I had the little camel going through it. I first started out with just doing the camo itself, and um, I didn't like the whole thing being on camo, so I actually went with the deep olive. So that is a deep olive, and then the brown on the ends. And so yeah, I went that route. So I really, really love it. Now this cardigan took me about right at 2 months, because I started out, like I said, with just the green camo, just doing that. I didn't like it, so I frogged it, and I actually started over. So I started over maybe around August 15th, I want to say. Um, I started July 30th, but then after I frogged it around August 5th, and then I had to wait to Hobby Lobby sale, um, excuse me, to Hobby Lobby sale to actually get the olive yarn and the brown yarn, because I try to just go to Hobby Lobby whenever the sale is going to purchase yarn. So I had to wait. So I started July 30th, and then I frogged it August 5th. And so I went and purchased the rest of the yarn, and August 15th is when I started back on it, and I finished it up this past weekend, which was Sunday, September 7th is when I finished. But like I said, I want to go back and do buttons to it. So that's why it actually took that long. So yeah, I like it. I'm in love with it for my first one. And I love how I steamed it, and it actually relaxed the fibers, and it's flowing, or it gives me the drape that I need. I think I need to steam a little bit more in the back, just because it's not relaxed like I like it. But I'm gonna try to relax like I like the front is, and like the sleeves. And I love these sleeves. Love, love, love them. So that is it for today, guys. I think I have gone over everything, all the updates, the rebranding of the shop, and so yeah, if you like what you've seen in this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I thank my subscribers. I was at 8. I gained 1 subscriber, so I thank you for subscribing to this channel. I'm trying to get my subscribers count up, because I need to be at 50 to actually go live without trying to use my laptop webcam, because the live that I did, where it's not showing, it's not complete, it's only like a minute and 11 seconds. That live is that live was trying to, I was trying to stream from my laptop, which is not an Apple product. It is a HP laptop. So I was trying to stream from it, and I couldn't get it. I may try again soon. I might try something this weekend. But Yeah, I need 50 subscribers to actually go live, and I can use my iPad or my iPhone to actually go live. So, yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment. If you know of anybody that likes to watch crochet or into handbags, then get them to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so that is it for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and get that subscriber count up. I need to get to 50. So, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.